Sublime versus Heptabase. Which productivity tool is better? Choosing the right productivity tool can completely change how you organize your work without wasting time. We'll look at Sublime and Heptabase, two powerful options with different approaches. Sublime and Heptabase are productivity tools designed to boost focus and organization. Sublime is a minimalist note-taking app, while Heptabase centers on visual thinking with a card-based knowledge map. The core difference lies in their approach to managing information. Sublime is a lightweight, distraction-free note-taking app focused on simplicity and speed. It works by providing a clean interface where users can quickly jot down ideas, tasks, and notes without unnecessary features getting in the way. Sublime's strength lies in its minimalism, making it ideal for users who want a straightforward, fast note-taking experience without clutter. It supports Markdown, allowing for easy formatting and export. However, Sublime lacks advanced organizational tools like visual mapping or complex linking, which can limit users who need deeper knowledge management. Its ideal user is someone who values quick capture and distraction-free writing, such as writers, students, or professionals needing a simple digital notebook. Heptabase is a visual knowledge management tool designed around the concept of cards and spatial mapping. Users create notes as cards and organize them on an infinite canvas, allowing for intuitive connections and idea clustering. This approach supports creative workflows, brainstorming, and complex project planning. Heptabase's strength is in its visual layout, which helps users see relationships between concepts at a glance. It also supports Markdown and rich media, enhancing note depth. However, the interface can feel overwhelming for users who prefer linear or simple note-taking. Heptabase is best suited for knowledge workers, researchers, and creators who benefit from visual thinking and want to build interconnected idea maps. Sublime and Heptabase serve different productivity needs. Sublime excels in quick, distraction-free note capture with a minimalist design, perfect for straightforward daily notes and tasks. Heptabase, on the other hand, shines in visual organization, ideal for users managing complex projects or research that require mapping ideas spatially. If you need speed and simplicity, Sublime is efficient and easy to use. But if your workflow depends on visualizing connections and brainstorming, Heptabase offers a richer environment. The trade-off is between minimalism and visual complexity. Sublime keeps you focused on writing, while Heptabase encourages exploration and idea development through its card-based system. Choose Sublime if you want a fast, distraction-free note-taking tool with essential features and minimal learning curve for daily productivity. Opt for Heptabase if your work benefits from visual mapping and interconnected ideas, supporting creative and research-heavy projects. Both tools excel in different areas, so pick the one that best fits your workflow and productivity style for maximum impact.